All right, today's date is October 28th, 2021. In Wilbarger County, Texas, I call cause number 26157 in the interest of the Rodriguez children. What says the state?
Ready, Your Honor.
Thank you. Ms. Coons has announced that she's ready to proceed. Present by telephone is Holly Freeman. Are you ready to proceed, Ms. Freeman?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Also present by audio and video is Roberto Rodriguez. Are you ready to proceed, Mr. Rodriguez?
Ma'am.
All right. And this will happen just like regular court. Ms. Kuntz will call each of you as a witness, and you can answer her questions. And then at the end, I'll ask you to tell me anything else you want me to know. Okay? Ms. Kuntz, you may call your first witness.
Your Honor, the state calls Mr. Rodriguez.
Mr. Rodriguez, would you please raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give should be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Okay. Go ahead, Ms. Kuntz.
Thank you, Your Honor. Sir, what is your full name?
It's Roberto Rodriguez, Jr.
Okay. You're the person who has an obligation to pay support on this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and you've had an opportunity to review the payment record for this case, is that correct?
Do you know
Yes.
what document she's talking about, Mr. Rodriguez?
Yes.
Okay.
Um,
Chance to look at that. I didn't hear his answer.
Said yes.
Okay.
and Your Honor, I asked that payment record be placed in evidence as State's Exhibit 1.
All right. Admit it's marked Exhibit B. I'm going to relabel it Exhibit 1, and it's admitted.
Thank you, Your Honor. And I do note that there has been one or more payments made since that payment record was generated. So I'll represent to the court that the balance we're showing as of October 27th, 2021 is $23,051.28. So that is the amount we would be requesting be indicated in the qualified domestic relations order that we're requesting today.
Okay.
And Mr. Rodriguez, we had an opportunity to talk about what the state is requesting today. Is that correct?
Yes.
And who's your current employer?
Whole Foods Distribution Center.
Okay, and you do you have a retirement plan set up through Whole Foods?
Should have one, yes.
Okay, and are you in agreement with the state's request that the court enter an order that would allow the retirement plan to send in money to your case up to the amount that's owed if you have that amount in your account?
Look, I don't know why would the state ask for more money if I'm paying for it monthly wise? I mean, why is it asking for it now?
Well, sir, we're requesting this because you owe the entire balance on your case now. I understand that you're on a payment plan, but we're making this request because there is still a balance of $23,051.28 due at this time.
And if you want to go through my 401k and then I have it all, I mean, that leaves me back to zero, and then y'all still at the same place still short.
Are you in agreement with the request for us to be able to do that, or are you not in agreement with that?
I am at this point right now because I thought it was just a hearing of something. I didn't think I was going to ask for more money or anything like that. So at this point right now, no.
Okay. I pass the witness.
All right. Anything else you want me to know, Mr. Rodriguez?
No, ma'am. No, I don't know. No, it's okay. No.
And I will make the comment that I've admitted states number one, and it looks like during that whole time, since 2017, you have been making regular payments, but the balance has just not gone down.
Yeah, I understand.
All right, you may call your next witness.
Your Honor, the state rests.
All right. Anyone else want to testify or put on evidence? All right, let me hear from everybody about what you think I should do. Ms. Koontz?
Your Honor, the state is asking that the court enter a qualified domestic relations order for the retirement plan to send in whatever he has in that account up to the amount he currently owes, $23,051.28. I understand that Mr. Rodriguez is not in agreement with that, but the entire sum owed is an amount currently owed, and I don't think that that Ms. Freeman should have to wait to receive that if he has that available.
Ms. Freeman, from your point of view, what would you want me to do?
I agree with Judge Koontz about the retirement plan.
Okay. Mr. Rodriguez, from your point of view, what do you think I should do?
do what's right, but I don't think it's right. I don't think it's fair. But I know I'm doing what I'm doing, pay monthly like I'm supposed to, but I don't think it's right to get in my 401k or anything like that. I mean, that's what I think.
How old is your youngest child?
12.
All right. Anything else, Mr. Rodriguez?
That's it, ma'am.
Okay. Well, based on the evidence and testimony before me, then I find that there is an arrearage of $23,051.28, and I'm granting the request to enter the qualified domestic relations order. So that money would come and be paid directly out of the retirement fund, or as much as they have available in that fund. And then, Mr. Rodriguez, what should happen is that the AG should adjust their withholding order so you're not paying on any arrears anymore. All right, so I'm going to sign that special order to the retirement fund. Let me tell you all, there is a 3 business days. And during that 3 business day period, you can request a new hearing. If you do that, you get a new hearing in front of the district judge, which is Judge Byrd. And he would start over and hear from you both again and make his own decision.
Right.
So if nobody does that, if nobody requests the new hearing, then my order starts to become final. And I am going to sign it as soon as Ms. Koontz forwards it to me. All right, you should get a copy of it within at least 2 weeks. If you don't get a copy by email or regular mail, contact the AG's office in in Wichita Falls, and remind them to send one to you. All right?
Ma'am.
You'll prepare that order for me, Ms. Koontz?
Yes, thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Do you have a question, Mr. Rodriguez?
No.
Okay. The law allows me to do that. All right, then we're done for today. Good luck to you and your families. Thank you so much. And you can hang up or check out right now.
Thank you.
Ms. Koontz, are you still there?
I am.
I'm sorry.
This is Holly.
What did you say?
I was asking for Judge Coons. I had a question.
Okay,
Ma'am, I'm an attorney with the Attorney General's office.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, that's okay.
you can
So,
ask her a question.
Okay, so I heard you say, the judge say that after this is signed, like, and this is paid in full, like he won't be paying any arrears on his current monthly payments, and that will take effect whenever this 23 and some odd dollars is paid. Is that correct?
If he pays off the balance, he won't have an arrearage payment anymore, but he would still have his current support payment.
Right. Okay. I thought that is what I understood. I just wanted to make sure.
If the retirement account only has $10,000 in it, then he would continue to have an arrearage payment.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Freeman. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge Sundstrom.
Bye-bye, Whitney.